Hello everyone, my name is Olaolu. Welcome back. And today I will be talking about TypeScript and its importance to modern development and how one of the biggest mistakes most developers use by misusing the type the any type. And I will also be sharing tools you can use to help you type your data properly, especially if you're working with JSON format. Firstly, I would like to talk about what is TypeScript. TypeScript is basically a superset of JavaScript, and what that simply means is it had extra features to JavaScript. It had add-on features, especially, mainly static typing to JavaScript. That's basically what TypeScript is. And it's just help you type your variable object functions API. This just helps you catch error during development and kind of prevents your code from crashing during the runtime build. For example, in plain JavaScript, you can assign a type to a particular variable, let's say number, and at the end of it, you decide to change the type to, let's say, string. But it works well until you are working with a bigger team and it just throws a lot of error. A lot of developers loves using TypeScript, but they fall into the trap of using any everywhere. And this basically what it does. It tells TypeScript to ignore checking, and it's just like saying, I know what I'm doing, trust me. Or in the long run, you really don't know what you're doing. TypeScript gives you autocomplete, type inference, error checking. Yes, your code might compile, but it's basically used to using plain JavaScript instead of TypeScript if you use the any type. A proper approach is to take the extra minutes to define your interface and types data. And this is not just safer, this makes your code readable, maintainable for other developers that are working with you. Let's take a real world example. Let's say you're fetching a data from a particular API and then you did not type your data, you just decide to use the type any. This can just allow your code to break silently in production mode. There are better tools that helps you to convert your JSON formats to TypeScript. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video, but I'm going to run through, for example, like QuickType.io, JSON to TypeScript format. And this just basically like gives room for you to explore and check your data type and understand how data works. By using all of the tools, it just means your data is properly typed, which give you fewer bugs in production, and it kind of give you confidence in your code base. To wrap it up, TypeScript is not just about writing fancy code, it's about writing maintainable, scalable code. So you have to avoid the temptation of using the any type as a shortcut. You have to properly type your data, which gives room to fewer bugs in production. Like I mentioned, you have more confidence in your code base. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.